Okay, let's do some lateral raises. Yes, we forgot to do this video. Yes, it's like 2 weeks later. The dogs are with us now. Show us a lateral raise, Kim. Okay, notice how she brings her arms straight up from the side. Doesn't go above parallel with her shoulders. This is the reason why you chose a lighter weight, because these are hard. Okay, so let's go ahead and count them out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now, go ahead and put those down. If this gets difficult, then lose the weight and just do straight fingers straight out. Bring them up to your side like that if you have to. So,
you will actually still feel it.
yeah. Nice burn if you squeeze your shoulder blades together right at the top. That's a lateral raise.
Or maybe you can do part with weight.
There you go.
And the second half of the reps or sets without.
Okay, pause the video, do the other 2 sets.